Welcome to Session 21 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study rational expressions and restrictions. The focus is to simplify rational expressions while preserving excluded values from the original expression. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Factor before simplifying. 2. State restrictions from the original denominator. 3. Cancel common factors, not common terms. A rational expression is a fraction made from algebraic expressions. The most important habit is to protect the domain. State restrictions from the original denominator before canceling anything. Then simplify by canceling common factors, not common terms. Simplify x squared minus 16 over x squared minus 8x plus 16. Factor the numerator as x minus 4 times x plus 4. Factor the denominator as x minus 4 squared. The original denominator is 0 at x equals 4, so x equals 4 is excluded. After canceling one common factor, the expression becomes x plus 4 over x minus 4. For x squared plus 3x over x squared minus 9, factor everything first. The denominator is x minus 3 times x plus 3. So both 3 and negative 3 are restricted. The factor x plus 3 cancels, but x equals negative 3 remains excluded because it came from the original denominator. Your turn. What values are excluded from x plus 1 over x squared minus 1? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Restrictions come from the original denominator. Factor before simplifying. Cancel common factors only. Canceled denominator factors still remain excluded. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.